It began with a spark.
A spark of inspiration and ingenuity.
A spark that became a breakthrough.
That became a legacy of products and services that have improved people's lives the world over.
A legacy that has become the most valuable, most respected, most admired, and arguably most innovative company in all the world.
GE, the General Electric Company.
This was the spark that started it all back in 1878.
A spark of innovation from the mind of our founder, one of history's most prolific inventors, Thomas Edison, who created two breakthrough technologies that changed the world: the electric light bulb
and a way to bring power to people everywhere so they could enjoy all the benefits of electricity.
In 1892, Edison's company merged with the Thomas Houston Company to become the General Electric Company.
In the more than 100 years that have followed, GE people and the products and services they created have built one of the world's most successful companies and have had a profound impact on the quality of life of people everywhere.
Today, GE at its core is driven by the energy and agility of a small entrepreneurial firm in constant pursuit of new product and service innovations.
Each of GE's businesses has that spirit. Each was born of a spark of innovation that continues to this day, making them leaders in their markets.
GE brought the U.S. its first central electric power plant, and today, GE Power Systems is the #1 provider of power generation equipment and services in the world. Its technology can be seen every day in the energy of bustling cities, the hum of busy factories, and in the glow of family homes.
From assisting with the mining of natural resources to the distribution of energy to the consumer, GE Power Systems offers innovative product and service solutions for the energy industry.
GE brought the world the light bulb, the tungsten filament, fluorescent lighting, and fiber optics. Today, GE Lighting is the world's leading supplier of lighting products for consumers, commercial customers, and industry, bringing light to wherever people live and work and play.
GE pioneered the technologies that led to a second industrial revolution. Electric motors, which replaced back-breaking physical labor, and machine controls, which made pinpoint precision possible on the factory floor.
Today, GE Industrial Systems is a leader in software and computer controls that make manufacturers more competitive the world over.
GE showed how innovative materials such as Lexan and Norel could make products safer and more marketable. Today, GE Plastic's full range of colorful, durable plastic materials give a marketing edge to some of the world's most innovative products.
GE has pioneered advances in locomotive engines since railroads began running. Today, GE Transportation Systems is among the world leaders in diesel, electric, and electronic locomotives for freight and passenger rail transportation.
GE has also taken aviation to new heights. From the first turbine-powered supercharger that made high-altitude flight possible, to the engine that powered America's first jet aircraft. Today, GE Aircraft Engines is the #1 producer of jet engines for airlines and air forces worldwide.
GE developed the X-ray tube that made medical diagnostic imaging possible and practical. Today, GE Medical Systems and the technologies they invented produce CT scanners, MRIs, anatomical mapping, and real-time imaging systems that give doctors more precise information more quickly than ever to help save lives.
GE Appliances has brought countless products to consumers to make their lives better. From the first practical home refrigerator to an advanced oven that cooks 8 times faster than a conventional oven with better results than a microwave.
To help people pay for these products, GE created the concept of consumer product financing, and since has expanded that concept to include commercial and industrial financing, leasing, insurance, and investments, all from GE Capital Services, one of the world's largest financial services companies.
And today, hardly anything happens in the world without the whole world knowing about it, thanks to broadcasting innovations from GE.
GE's NBC television network now entertains and informs hundreds of millions of people via broadcast, cable, satellite, and the internet.
Not only has each GE business resulted from a spark of innovation, but the very notion of industrial innovation can be traced to GE, who established the world's first industrial research lab from which so many breakthroughs have emerged.
Such as microwave technology, the solid-state laser, digital X-ray, 3D visualization, and remote diagnostics.
GE's sparks of ingenuity aren't momentary flashes, but a sustained pattern of innovative thinking.
The result is a company that has thrived for well over a century.
A company that was one of the firms listed on the original Dow Jones Industrial Index, and today, over 100 years later, is the only one of those companies still in business.
A company that has grown exponentially in revenues, market capitalization, and worldwide operations in over 100 countries.
But how? How can a company that makes seemingly unrelated items, such as aircraft engines and dishwashers, as well as commercial loans and investments, be so successful for such an extended period of time?
The answer goes beyond what we make and sell. It's how we think and how we act towards our customers, our colleagues, and our communities. It's everything that makes GE what it is today.
It's a spark of ingenuity that has evolved into what we call our operating system. It's our culture, our values. It's our way of doing business.
It begins with an insatiable appetite for new ideas, for the best ideas, many of which come from our own employees who gather in groups, large and small, to suggest how the work they do can be done better.
We don't just listen to their ideas, we put them into practice. These ideas have cut time and costs while improving service, quality, and productivity.
What's more, we believe a good idea can come from anywhere, so we've removed organizational and functional barriers to the free flow of ideas.
We encourage sharing among businesses and operations within GE, and we actively seek good ideas from every possible source outside GE to help us improve.
We call this boundaryless behavior. We encourage it, we measure it, we reward it.
Which is why, for example, our medical systems people share their diagnostic expertise with the people in aircraft engines, so they can diagnose and prevent problems with GE jet engines on their customers' aircraft.
The principle is simple. The better the company does as a whole, the better we all do as individuals. So the more we share ideas, the more we benefit, and so do our customers and our share owners.
A spark is an instant in time. For it to become an enduring flame, it needs to be channeled where it can grow and do the most good.
Hence the initiatives that have helped GE grow so dramatically. Initiatives such as Six Sigma.
On the surface, Six Sigma is a statistical method for achieving near-perfect quality. But it's more than that. It's the way we work at GE.
We've trained hundreds of thousands of people in the methodology of improving efficiency and removing variations in our products and processes, not just to meet our internal standards, but to deliver on what our customers believe is critical to their own quality.
It's brought about a way of thinking at GE that we call outside in, because it is in fact our customers who define quality. They tell us what they want and need, and we design, build, and execute accordingly to meet and exceed their expectations.
As a result, Six Sigma has removed billions of dollars in cost and waste and has generated significant increases in revenue and customer satisfaction.
GE has also undergone a remarkable transformation. From a products company to a services company. From a company that makes things to a company that makes its customers more productive, efficient, and competitive by not only servicing what we sell, but giving customers the benefit of our technology and expertise, showing them better ways of doing things.
No initiative more closely matches GE's spirit of innovation and its philosophy of moving with speed, simplicity, and self-confidence than digitization.
GE has not merely pursued internet technologies and e-business, but this massive digitization effort has totally transformed the company.
Not long ago, GE started from ground zero with no internet presence. Today, every GE business is a full-fledged e-business.
We use the internet to obtain the best price, quality, and delivery from suppliers. We use the internet to bring people and ideas together, to design and produce superior products in far less time than before.
And our customers use the internet to order from us at any time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to get whatever they need whenever they need it.
All of which has eliminated hundreds of millions of dollars worth of costs, improving our level of service and our customers' business performance.
It's worked so well that in an incredibly short time, GE earned the title E-Business of the Year from a major industry publication.
Finally, GE has become a truly global company, not merely establishing a presence in countries around the world, but becoming part and parcel of the countries and communities where we do business, bringing GE products and services to the world while bringing the ideas of talented GE people from all over the world to bear on how we operate.
The spark of ingenuity that brought forth so many innovations at GE has also created another spark, a spark of energy that instills in GE people the drive and desire to give something back to the communities where they live and work.
GE employees volunteer over 1 million hours a year to help their communities.
Within GE's global family is an organization of over 40,000 employees and retirees in over 20 countries. It's called Alphen.
Alphen members volunteer their time and talents, tutoring young people, building playgrounds, cleaning up neighborhoods, building houses, restoring computers for local community agencies, and so much more.
In short, GE's commitment to community service is just as strong as GE's commitment to excellence in its products and services.
What began as a spark of light and energy, of ideas and innovation, has become a company that has defined the meaning of success.
By virtually every measure, GE has raised the bar.
Our financial performance in good times and bad for the world economy has been enviably consistent.
Our reputation as a great place to work has been validated by the energy and enthusiasm of our employees.
Our legacy of innovation, of creating products and services that have transformed the way we work and the way we live, is unparalleled.
As we look to the future, we are all working to make that legacy live on. Because we believe our best is yet to come, and GE will bring many more good things to life.
What are we doing here? Well, it's perfectly clear. We're bringing good things to life.